Good day, everyone. I'm Dean Susimudaport, a third-year student from University of Cebu Maritime Education Training Center. And today, I'm going to show you how to solve the Great Circle series. So this is the problem that we are going to solve. Find the great circle distance, initial and final courses from 10 degree 25 minutes south, 90 degree 12 minutes east to 39 degree 27 minutes north, 55 degree 10 minutes east. Find also the position of the vertex and the longitude in which the great circle track crosses the equator and the courses then. First, we are going to write our latitude A. Our latitude A is 10 degree 25 minutes south and 9 degree 12 minutes east. Then our latitude B is 39 degree 27 minutes north, 55 degree 10 minutes east. So next, we're going to make the great circle track. So in here, we're going to write our latitude A. 10 degree 25 minutes south, 9 degree 12 minutes east. Then here the latitude B, 39 degree 27 minutes north, 55 degree 10 minutes east. And our pole is here. Then we're going to connect next. We're going to make an equator. So this is our equator. To get our D long, we need to subtract this 90 degree 12 minutes and 55 degree 10 minutes. So 90 degree 12 minutes minus 55 degree 10 minutes. Answer is 35 degree 2 minutes. So our D long is 35 degree 2 minutes west. So this is our D long. Then next, we need to solve our great circle distance. First, we need to write our solution. Our solution is cos AB equals open parenthesis cos P times cos lat A times cos lat B. Close parenthesis, plus minus, open parenthesis, sin lat A times sin lat B. So, cos AB is equal to, open parenthesis, cos P is our D long, 35 degree, 2 minutes, times cos lat A, 10 degree, 25 minutes, times cos lat B, 39 degree, 27 minutes, minus, open parenthesis, sin lat A, 10 degree, 25 minutes, times sin lat B, 39 degree, 27 minutes. Cos AB is equal to get the answer, you need to times the cos 35 degree 2 minutes times cos 10 degree 25 minutes times cos 39 degree 27 minutes. So the answer is 0.621853965. So our distance is 3,572.3 miles. Next is our initial course. So to get the initial course, our solution is A. Tan lat A divided by tan P. So tan lat A 10 degree 25 minutes divided by over tan P is our D long, 35 degree 2 minutes. To get the answer, we need our calculator. Tan 10 degree 25 minutes divided by 35 degree 2 minutes equals to get the answer, tan 10 degrees 25 minutes divided by tan 35 degree 2 minutes. Our answer is the answer is 0.2622188837. Next, B. Tangent lat B over sin P. So, tan lat B is 39 degree 27 minutes over sin hourly lang 35 degree 02 minutes. So tangent 39 degree 27 minutes divided by sin 35 minutes degree 02 minutes because our answer is 1.433442,403. Next, letter C. A, positive negative B. So, we use positive because there are the same. So, we need to add the 0.2622188837 plus 1.433442403. 0.2622188837 plus 1.433442403. So the answer is 1.69566124. Tan AZ is equal to 1 over C open parenthesis cos lat A is equal to 566,124 times cos 10 degree 25 minutes. So to get the answer, so 1 divided by 1.69566,124 times cos 10 degree 25 minutes equals, then shift tan equals, so this is the answer, then convert to degrees. So the answer is AZ is equal to 30 degree 56.87 minutes west. 56.87 is equal to, so 360 minus 30 degree 56.87 minutes is equal to, then convert to degrees, so the answer is 329 degree 3.13 degree true. Final course. In here, our lot A and lot B will exchange, so that our lot A is equal to 39 degree 27 minutes north. Our lot B is 10 degree 25 minutes south. Then our D long is the same, 35 degree 02 minutes west. So A, tan lot A over tan P. So tan lot A is 39 degree 27 minutes over tan P. P is our D long, 35 degree 0.2 minutes. So to get the answer, need to use the calculator. So tan 39 degree 27 minutes divided by tangent 35 degree. To get the answer, we need to use the calculator. So tan 39 degree 27 minutes divided by tan 35 degree 02 minutes equals, answer is 1.173728746. South. Then to solve the B, tangent lot B over sin P. Tan lot B is 10 degree 25 minutes over sin 35 degree 02 minutes. So need to use the calculator. Tangent. So find the C. A, positive, negative, B. So as you can see, their sign is different, so that we can use positive. So 1.1737287465 plus 0.32024060202. So 1.1737287465 plus 0.3202 So the answer is 1.493969,348. So next, tan AZ is equal to 1 over C, open parenthesis, cos lot A, close parenthesis. So is equal to 1 over 1.493969,348, open parenthesis, cos 39 degree 27 minutes, close parenthesis. So 1 divided by 1.493969 348, open parenthesis, cos 39 degree 27 minutes, close parenthesis. Then shift tan equals and convert to degrees. So the answer is 40 degree 55 minutes. So to get the final course, we use 180, then minus 40 degree 55.20 minutes. So, minus 180 minus 40 degree 55.20 minutes is equal to, then convert to degrees. So the answer is 139 degree 4.8 minutes through. So this is our final course. So initial course is north 30 degree 56.87 minutes west, or 329 degree 3.13 minutes through. Then our final course is south 40 degree 55.20 minutes east, or 139 degree 4.8 minutes. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.